Hello and welcome to another video. Yeah, it's spring. I've just changed my window wiper blades, and today I want to show you one of my favorite products that I've discovered. It is a clay ball, and I use that to get my glass super clean so that these wiper blades last longer. You all know that when you use a really good glass cleaner, it gets almost everything off, but there are a lot of contaminants still in the glass. And if you want to get it super smooth, I'll show you what you can do. You spray a bit of the glass cleaner, and then just spray a little bit on this Sonax Clay Ball. I don't even know how you call it in German. And then you move it up and down over your glass. So, in this motion, make sure it stays nice and wet, and then also sideways. And because of these mild, clay type of abrasives, almost the same as if you would use a clay bar, like you would use on your paint, for example, before you apply a new wax or coating. This gets all the stuck contaminants out of the glass, and then you'll have an amazing glass, super clean vision, and wiper blades that last much longer. Now I'm curious to hear from you. Do you use a glass coating on your car, like a Rain X, or do you use like a soft 99 product that repels rain? I'm really curious to give that a try, but I'm a bit cautious whether it doesn't cause streaking with the wiper blades. Let me know what's your favorite product, how it holds up over time. I'll look forward to giving it a try. For now, I wish you a fantastic spring with safe driving. Hope you found this tip useful, and see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!